I'm gonna take you guys on an adventure today. Find a piece of bamboo that's dying but not all the way dead. There we go. Nice and strong and sturdy. You take this stick, right? Little small twiggy looking stick. And then you put some fishing line on it, right? And I'm gonna show you guys how to catch a lizard with the lizard. If you guys look on the end of the stick, I got some fishing line on there. I don't know why it's not focusing, but as you guys can see, got some fishing line. And down there, see the little lizard right there? That's called an anole. It's an invasive species of lizard that's from South America. So we catch these small lizards like this big, put them on the string, and we throw them out and catch this thing called an amoeba. Amoebas are from South America too. So now that I found the little guy, I'm gonna tie him up. We're gonna catch one. Now, amoebas are diurnal creatures, which means they come out during the day and they hunt during the day. And when the sun goes down, they go home and go to sleep. They live in little holes like that, crevices between rocks like that, and leave stuff like this. And there's one over there, if you guys can see him running away. I see him? That's an amoeba. It's called a green amoeba. He's looking for food right now. He's looking for food. He's scouring and scouring around, looking for any flies or crickets or worms. But he don't know I got a. See my fishing line? He's now eating. Oh no. They're really straight up monsters when it comes to food. Oh man. Ha! Gotcha! Green amoeba. Look at the blue, the green, the brown. Oop, that's what I was going to catch. And he has the regenerated tail.
Yeah, it's such a good job today. You did such a good job. Yeah, I loved you too. There's my stinky butt. There's my stinky butt. There's my stinky boy.
Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip hop would take it this